Storage King means to me that every day when I come to work, I'm going to help someone and it's going to make their day better. Hi, my name's Kieran. I'm the manager of Storage King Pakenham. Kings of Storage Moving and More is everything that I can do possible to make the experience better for the customer. A typical day at Storage King is always different. Every single customer has a unique need, and it's always fun and challenging to make sure that I can satisfy the customer's needs. I already have a lot of tradies that store their tools here, which is convenient because of the extended hours that we do have here. You know, before I come in the morning, they've already been in to pick up their tools, and I'm already finding that there is a lot of people needing to store their goods while their house is being built, whether they've already sold their property or they might be living with their parents or family. Come down and say hello. If you're in the area, we're at 41 Commercial Drive in Pakenham. We're just down the road from the Car Mega Mart. I'd love to show you around the facility. It's a brand new state-of-the-art facility. It's got all the bells and whistles. Love to see you there. My name's Kieran. I'm the manager of the store here. Look forward to meeting you then.